guys, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you so much for supporting us. This tutorial is inspired by Nina Stark and I'll leave all her information in the description box below. This style will take about 5 to 7 minutes depending on the length of hair and the texture.
So let's get to it!
I applied some dry texture spray just to give that extra grip. Anything I mention in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to go up here, right where the forehead is, here, and on the other side, you're just going to take your fingers and run it down into an angle like this, not like this, but you're going to go in an angle like this, okay? When you secure it off right here at the back of her head. Okay, so now you're just going to loosen this up a little bit and bring this up. I'm just going to give it some volume. Okay, so your next step is to take this ponytail and make a hole right here in the middle and bring the ponytail underneath into that hole. And then you're going to go and split this in half, and then you're going to create your arch for your heart. Okay, you're going to create that heart shape. Secure it off with an elastic band. Once you are satisfied with the heart shape, you secure a pin right here. And a pin right here. And a pin right here. And a pin on the other side. So now that you've got that done, you're going to scoop up some hair and split it in half. Secure this off in an elastic band. So now you're going to take this, hold on to the elastic band, just pull it just a little bit on each side. Okay, so you're going to pick up this ponytail here, hold it with your thumb, and then with your 2 fingers grab a section of the back of this hair with the ponytail and split it in half. Once you split it in half, you're going to bring it forward, bringing this ponytail from the back. And then you're going to secure it off. Hold on to the ponytail here, expand the sections out right here on each side. Now, you don't have to add any more hair in the back, so now that you have your 2 ponytails, you're just going to go ahead and do the pull-through braid, which is splitting the back of this ponytail in half. Bring it forward, putting an elastic band, and pick this out. And you're just going to continue all the way down. So I'm just going to secure these 2 ponytails right here off. And then just go back and expand out my braids. Put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To check out more of our videos, click on over there and there.
We love you guys. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach each others. Bye, guys.
Bye.